Hello everyone, welcome to another video. And this video is just a little video about the bleach dispenser in here, where when you put your liquid bleach in and then it dispenses into the washer. This isn't a video how to use it, but it's just an explanation of how this thing works. One thing I want to mention is if you want to bleach something and you want it to be bleached inside the drum the whole time the wash is running, you don't want to use the bleach dispenser, because I don't know if it's the same way on all models and brands of washer, but on my particular LG model, this machine won't dispense the bleach until like the last 5 or 10 minutes of the main wash cycle. So basically, except for the last 5 or 10 minutes of the wash cycle, it's only washing with the main with the soap, with the detergent and everything and whatnot. If you want the machine to wash and bleach the whole time, you have to actually put the bleach inside the drum, so that way so that way during the main wash cycle it can be bleached through the entire run time of however you set it up on the timer, with the timer and everything. But if you're going to add bleach to the drum, I recommend putting it in there before you put your clothes in, so that way, especially if you're trying to bleach like whites, or well, if you bleach whites, you can just put it in a drum so that way it bleaches the whole time. I recommend putting it in before you put your clothes in, so you're not pouring it directly on. But there's been a couple times where I've forgotten to put it in, so what I'll actually do is I'll pour it down like these, try to pour it down these little holes carefully, as to not cause weird spots in my clothes. Naturally, you're not supposed to bleach colors and stuff, but it's not unheard of that they can do it if you do it right. For your particular washer and model and brand of washer, you should probably check your owner's manual to find out how it dispenses bleach. But I'm suspecting it's pretty much the same across most machines, but don't hold me to that. But this is just how my particular washer dispenses bleach when you want to bleach stuff. I hope that helps you to understand the bleach, and if you want, and how to get your washer to bleach an entire run. And you will know it doesn't dispense the bleach because when you can actually open this up while it's running. This drawer does not lock in during the wash cycle, and if you open it up, you'll notice that the main soap is gone, but the bleach will actually still be in there up until about the last 5 or 10 minutes of the wash cycle. But I guess they do that if you want to bleach, like if you need to bleach colors for some reason or other. That way it's diluted in the water when it adds it, and it's not going to hurt the clothes as much. But that's my tip on being able to, on the bleach dispenser, and how to get things bleached when you need to bleach things like whites. I hope this helps you. I am not responsible for anything that might happen if you do something wrong. Thank you for watching. God bless. So long.